anything, because I am not, well, I don't think I'm afraid of anything. How many people are afraid? Let me ask you what you're afraid of. How many people are afraid of spiders? Some people, okay. How many people are afraid of snakes? Okay, I see some people out there. How many people are afraid of French fries? No, that's silly. No one's afraid of French fries. Come on, come on. Okay, how many people are afraid of heights? That's a big one, right? You're on a mountaintop, you look down, could be scary, right? Could be scary. So I found a way to conquer all my fears, and I wrote a poem about it. Let's see if this is actually true. Am I really not afraid of anything? Let's listen and find out. I'm not afraid of anything. You'll never see me cry. I'll swim the deepest ocean. I'll swat the biggest fly. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'll pick up any mouse. I wouldn't mind if giant snakes were hiding in my house. You'll never hear me screaming when bees buzz in my ear. A gator doesn't scare me. I don't have any fear. I'll pet ferocious lions. I'll climb the highest heights. Just promise me when I'm in bed, you won't shut off the lights. Okay, so maybe I'm afraid of something. Am I afraid of the lights? No, I'm not. But if I'm saying, Mom, Dad, don't shut the lights off, that means I'm afraid of right, I'm afraid of the dark, right? How many people are or used to be afraid of the dark? Okay, so when I was your age, I was afraid of the dark. And what happens? We're in our beds, the lights are off, we close our eyes, and then we use our imagination, right?